Hi guys, today I am going to share my nighttime routine with you all. As your skin naturally repairs itself at night, your night care routine should be all about treatment and giving your skin what it needs. If you guys have seen my earlier videos, then you must be aware that I use epilator to remove my facial hair, and I have to do that more often, twice or sometimes thrice a week. So I just said epilator. So starting with the first step, that is cleaning, I am going to splash some water on my face and using 2 pumps of Clinique face wash on my wet face to remove all the excess sebum and dirt. This is my second bottle of this face wash. It is so gentle yet cleans the pores going deep inside, leaving my skin fresh and prepped. Recently, I have started using the Braun cleansing brush. Initially, I used to think these brushes can irritate my skin more, but trust me, it's awesome and very gentle on my skin. It does a great job by unclogging my pores and helping my skin from breaking out. So I'm working in circular outward motion. Now I am going to rinse my face and pat dry with a clean towel. Next is an optional step which I do twice a week. I am a great fan of Tea Tree 3-in-1 exfoliant, which can be used as wash, a scrub or a mask. Tea Tree is an excellent skin treatment, especially for oily and acne prone skin. It is perfect for blemished skin like mine. I prefer applying a thin layer of it like a mask on my face. Its bursting microbeads gently buff the skin surface, removing impurities and dead skin cells. I am going to leave it for 2 or 3 minutes, and meanwhile I am scrubbing my lips, and for that I am using Forest Essential Sugarcane Lip Scrub. Now I can't stress you all how important is a lip scrub for a smooth application of lipstick. It is a key element to remove chapped lips and dead skin cell. It helps by exfoliating the yucky flakes from your lips and allows the lip balm to penetrate deeper. Now the mask has completely dried, so I am going to dampen the mask with the help of my wet palms. The drying clay of this mask reduces the blackheads and tightens the pores. Massage onto your damp skin in circular motion and scrub gently. Especially focus on your T-zone and add more water until the mud forms. Once you are done, then rinse it off nicely. Again, I am going to pat dry my skin, and now my skin feels all cleansed and freshen up. Moving on to next step, I am going to use Clinique toner on a cotton swab and apply it all over face and neck. After the double cleansing and removal of facial hair, obviously the pores of my face opens up, so I definitely use this toner as it immediately closes the pores. Toners also maintains the pH level of skin and completes the cleansing routine by removing impurities that the cleanser must have missed. Next is an optional step, and I only do when I remove facial hair. I like to layer a mist of thermal spring water by Avenue. It is soothing, anti-inflammatory and anti-irritating, which reduces the redness. It also minimizes the risk of allergies, and that is why I love using this for my sensitive skin. Next, I am going to use the Mom's Co eye cream, which is a must in night care routine. I am dabbing a small amount under my eyes and working in anti-clockwise circular motion. It has this roll-on thing on it which relaxes the eye muscles. You can also keep it in refrigerator for its fuller effects. Skin around the eyes are thin and more sensitive. It's also prone to signs of aging, including fine lines and darkness. A good eye cream like this can brighten up, smoothen and firm up the area. Like the rest of the body, skin does the work of its repairing, restoring and regenerating as we sleep. Now to feed my skin some really good stuff, I am going to apply Miraculous Ayurvedic Night Serum by Kama Ayurveda. Serum includes active ingredient that restores cell growth. This Ayurvedic Night Serum by Kama Ayurveda contains unique blends of oils and herbs, which is helpful for dull, pigmented, aging and damaged skin. I got to know about it through Debashi Banerjee's skincare video. This miraculous serum literally did magic to her acne spots and blemishes. And that is why I wanted to give it a try on this one. And believe me guys, it is all worth it. Now my most favorite part is giving my face some massage. I have been using this jade roller since many weeks now. I have talked about it earlier also. It helps in better absorption of creams and serums while massaging the facial muscles. It increases the blood flow and reduces facial tension. It also gives a cooling and soothing effect on our skin. I am in love with this perfect tool and will recommend to you all too. Coming to the end, I am going to moisturize my skin with a nice night cream. I love both Clinique or Kama Ayurveda night cream. Both does a great job. I use them on alternate days or when I feel like using one. Kama Ayurveda night cream is more like a Vico turmeric cream. It leaves my skin really soft and supple in the morning. And Clinique night cream hydrates my skin up to an extent like I fed water to my skin. These night creams boost collagen in our skin and prevents it from sagging. Night creams are a bit thicker than day moisturizers, so they work for several hours. Also make sure to wash your face in the morning as these night creams have anti-aging ingredients which contain retinol in them and that shouldn't be wear under sun. And that is why night creams are only meant for nights. Now finally the last step, I am going to do spot treatment. Basically, where I have acne or blemishes, I am going to use this tea tree oil for spot drying to clear up the acne cyst faster. And here my skincare routine is done. It hardly takes 5 minutes, but it is really effective for a good sleep and skin. I hope you like this video, and if you do, then please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share it with your family and friends. Meet you in my next video. Until then, stay happy and positive. Bye bye.